Hello everyone, my name is Alvin. Welcome to my Excel basic tutorial. For the first thing, what is Microsoft Excel? It's very important. So I'm gonna tell you that Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft for Windows, Macs, Android, or some other computer system, and it features calculation, graphic tools, pivot tables, or a kind of programming language. And in this class, I'll be showing you most of the basics that you need to know about in order to get started using Microsoft Excel. And the version of Excel I will use is Excel 2010. So let's get started. Alright, so how to start using Microsoft Excel? I'll show you. The first way you can choose is simply click on the icon on your wallpaper, you double click on it, and open Microsoft Excel. But sometimes you can find your Microsoft shortcut in your wallpaper, so you can go to the Start button to find it. Here is Excel, so I click on it to open Microsoft Excel. So as you can see, Microsoft Excel wants me to make a choice. You can see here there are a lot of types you can choose. There are business or personal, planner, and trackers, and list, and etc. But in my class, you can just simply choose the blank workbook. So click on it. Okay, let's go. Whenever you start learning a software, the terminology is the most basic things that you need to know about, so you choose the blank workbook. List is the layout. Alright, so there are some certain terms that are going to need to know. I'll show you from my PowerPoint. It's more clear. Here, this is layout, and on top of layouts is tab. As you can see, there are file tabs, home tabs, inverted tabs, and page layout tabs, formula tabs, and a lot of. And if you click on a tab, home tab, you can open the home ribbon. The ribbon contains a lot of functions you can use, so it's very important. So ribbon is divided into several groups. We have a lot of groups here. As you can see, there are clipboard groups and font groups, alignment groups, number groups, and style groups in the home ribbon. But you will notice that the style groups doesn't have a little arrow on the right corner. That's what I like to call launch button. Here is a launch button, the little arrow here. You may want to ask why the style group doesn't have one. That's because Microsoft wants to fit all the functions into the groups, but they have limited space to work with, so sometimes they can fit all of them into the groups, but sometimes they can't. So if they can't, you can find even more function in the launch button. Alright, so there are some terms that you need to know. Is spreadsheet itself. This is spreadsheet. The large rectangle and the intersection of columns and rows is cell. A column is a vertical here, and a row is the horizontal here. So the cells means a little room, just like a little box here. Okay, and each cell in Excel has a name, and because it has a name, so you can describe it to do certain things. That's what Excel features. And the other terms that you need to know in a spreadsheet is the range. And the range is from B2, you should read the vertical column first and the horizontal row second, so it's B2 and here is F, and her row is 8, so it's B2 through F8. The column between the two and F is mean through. Okay, and you can find at the bottom of the layout, this is sheet. Each of the sheets add up together, create a workbook. And you can click the button on the right to create a new sheet. So you will find a plus button on the right of the sheet. So you've got all this as basic of the foundation for our Excel use. So now let's actually start using Microsoft Excel. So this is my first class, and in my second class I'm gonna be showing you how to create a transcript for your class, and you have to review all these terms because I will use them in my following teaching. You should know them beforehand and you can understand me more. So see you next time. Bye.